Regarding the length of the string, now we will going to see in this video. First I have to take the notepad and write the HTML. Inside the HTML I have to take the header and close immediately header. Inside the header I have to take the title. Title name should be related to the program. I have to give here just a string, and coming to the I take the body tag and immediately close the body tag. In the body tag I have to declare the h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag I have to take the text like a JavaScript string and take one more h1 tag. If you want many you can take it. The length of the string I have to give the text, and I have to take the p tag and give the id as demo, but I don't want to mention in between the tag any text, which I have to take when I call the demo. Then the text will be taken inside the p tag. So I have to take the script tag. In this script tag I have to declare let text equal to. That means when I have to declare the variable name as a text which hold the string of the length. Now coming here I have to write document.getElement by id and mention the id name as a demo. So when we write document.getElement by id, so E capital letters, B capital letters and I capital letters, that is the rule. Dot inner HTML equal to text dot length. So now go to save the file. Wherever you want you have to save it. I saved the file desktop. So then open the desktop, the file name, then you can see here the length of the string, it will be appear.